This custom line straightens and feeds copper bar. It is for EV charger parts and battery terminal posts. The wide view shows the custom stamping line layout. Copper bar stock is positioned beside the feeding section. Straightening and feeding sections lead toward the press. A closer view follows the copper stock toward the press. The press opening and structure are shown from nearby. The camera passes press side equipment and the work area. Final close-ups show the press opening and tooling area.